Buying your first home in 2025. You're stepping into one of the biggest financial decisions of your life, and trust me, you don't want to make costly mistakes. The real estate market is shifting fast, prices are fluctuating, and interest rates are unpredictable, but if you follow the right steps, you can secure your dream home without breaking the bank. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact process to buy your first home, from saving for a down payment to negotiating the best deal. And stay till the end, because I'll share one powerful tip that could save you thousands when closing your deal. Drop a comment below, where are you planning to buy your first home? Let's see which city is the hottest right now. And if you love videos like this, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Alright, let's get started. Part 1. How much home can you afford? First things first, you need to know your budget. The last thing you want is to fall in love with a home, only to realize later you can't afford it. So, how do you calculate your budget? Lenders use something called the 28 of 36 rule. This means your monthly mortgage payment should not exceed 28% of your gross income, and your total debt payments, including car loans, student loans, and credit cards, should stay below 36%. Here's a simple formula. If you earn $5,000 per month, your mortgage payment should be no more than $1,400 per month. But remember, homeownership isn't just about the mortgage. You need to factor in property taxes, homeowner's insurance, maintenance costs, HOA fees, if applicable. Now, before you go house hunting, you need to get pre-approved for a mortgage. Let's talk about that next. Part 2. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. A mortgage pre-approval is like a golden ticket in the home buying process. It shows sellers that you're serious and financially ready. To get pre-approved, lenders will check your credit score. Higher than 700 gets the best rates. Income and employment history. Debt-to-income ratio. Savings for a down payment. Now, if your credit score is below 650, you may not get the best interest rate. But don't worry. You can boost it by paying off credit card debt, making all your payments on time, avoiding new loans before applying. Once you're pre-approved, it's time for the exciting part, house hunting. Part 3. Finding the right home. This is where most buyers get overwhelmed, so many options, so many decisions. But here's the key, stick to your needs, not just your wants. Make a checklist. How many bedrooms and bathrooms do you need? Do you want a big backyard? Are you okay with a fixer-upper, or do you want a move-in ready home? What's the commute to work like? Another pro tip, look at the resale value. Even if this is your forever home, you'll want a property that appreciates in value over time. And don't forget location. A house in a bad neighborhood will lose value, while a home in a growing area can increase in price fast. Once you find a house you love, it's time to make an offer. Part 4. Making an offer and negotiating like a pro. The real estate market in 2025 is competitive, so don't lowball your offer unless you know the seller is desperate. Instead, research the market value of similar homes. Work with a real estate agent to craft a strong offer. Heavy checkmark, ask for seller concessions, like covering closing costs. If your offer is accepted, congrats. Party popper, but the work isn't over yet. Now, you need a home inspection and appraisal. Part 5. Home inspection and final steps. Never skip the home inspection. Even if the house looks perfect, hidden problems like foundation cracks, plumbing issues, or electrical hazards can turn your dream home into a nightmare. A professional inspector will check roof condition, electrical wiring, HVAC system, plumbing and water damage. If issues come up, you can negotiate repairs or even walk away. Once everything checks out, it's time for the closing process. Part 6. Closing the deal and moving in. Closing day is when everything becomes official. You'll sign the mortgage documents, pay closing costs, which range from 2 to 5% of the home price, and finally get the keys to your new home. Final checklist before closing. Review all the loan documents. Double check homeowner's insurance. Transfer utilities and internet to your name. And that's it. You're officially a homeowner. Before you go, here's one final pro tip that could save you thousands. Consider house hacking. Buy a duplex or triplex, live in one unit, and rent out the others. Your tenant's rent can cover most, or all, of your mortgage, making homeownership way more affordable. If this video helped you, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips. And now, I want to hear from you. What city are you buying your first home in? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.